Hello everybody. It is Wednesday? Yeah, I think it's Wednesday. And I've been, honestly, it's 4:30 in the afternoon and I have done nothing today. I don't even have today's video edited. It will be edited. I'm about to edit it right now once I go to the bathroom. But I've done nothing. I've done nothing today. So I need to get the vlog started. Hence why I'm talking to you guys. But also, I just spent the last hour messing around with my computer to see if I can use this camera as a camera to stream on Twitch potentially. Or YouTube, like sewing and stuff like that. And I think I figured it out. They said it couldn't be done, but I think I figured it out. Okay, so I thought it'd be fun to show you what I got in the mail today. Got vitamin D gummies, the ones that I ordered from Walmart, but they canceled and substituted with something else that was like not even remotely right. And then I got this order from Sakoshi. What's it called? Sakoshi Mart. Yes, Sakoshi Mart. I will link it. They're located somewhere in Canada. Not exactly sure where, but oh, Mississauga. Okay, that makes sense. It's like all Asian stationery and snacks and cute things, essentially. So I'm gonna show you what I got as like a quick little haul so that I can eat it. I already ate the honey butter chips, which I've had before, and they are freaking delicious. And I saw them and I was like, oh, gone. So I got these ones as well, which are honey butter with white cheddar. And so the honey butter ones I had are clearly made to be sold here in Canada because they have French and English on them. But these ones are not, and they are a product of Korea, if I read correctly. Yeah, it says product of Korea. So they're like sweet and salty, and then these ones have white cheddar on them. Then we got these watermelon gummy candy. I've had something like this before, and it's delicious, so I wanted to try these. Then we got some Haichu, which has, oh, I think I've had these before. I did not like it. It's like lemon Haichu, so it's lemon flavored with like some sort of like crackly stuff inside. The crackly stuff inside is the part I didn't like. Then I got this, which is a 50 centimeter long grape flavored gummy something. I did not realize it was this long. I just saw grape flavor and I like grape flavor, so I got it. Then I also got some socks. I wasn't sure if these would fit my feet. I'm still not sure because, to be honest, I have gigantic feet, and when you're making things for people, Asian people, they just have smaller bodies. So yeah, I'm sure there is exceptions to that general rule, but these are women's sizes. So yeah, and they're women's size 4 to 7, so not sure they're gonna fit. But I got these flower ones, these rainbow hearts, which will fit for sure because they're, you know, a little taller, and then these black and yellow ones. So yep. And then, oh, I also got 2 pens. These are the friction erasable pens. So I got a green one and a purple one. Oh wait, I did get a sticker as well from Stay Home Club, and it says just stay home on it, but it's on the planner that you're sitting on top of, so I can't show you it. Let's open this because I want some candy. I'm actually quite hungry and need some dinner. But yeah, if you've never had Hi Chew before, they're actually pretty good. They're just chewy candy, but they're fruit flavored. They don't have a ton of like artificial color and stuff in it either. So this one, my favorite though is the watermelon one, the sour watermelon. Yeah, so this is just what it looks like. It looks like a little brick of butter, but it's not. Yeah, I'm not such a big fan. I will still eat it though. Good morning. It is 20 to 10 on Saturday. I have to leave pretty soon. I have to get dressed. I'm still in my pajamas. I'm just waiting for my computer to do an update, which never goes well when you're in a hurry. And I thought I'd catch up with you guys. This week has been a very unproductive week. I've gotten pretty much nothing I wanted to do done. This is like first week of our stay-at-home order for Ontario, and let me just say that when you know you're not supposed to leave and you're doing your part, and you're just staying home minding your business, it's so much easier to stay home than when the government is going, you have to stay home now, and if you don't, you'll get in trouble. Now you just want to go out and be rebellious. Granted, I've not left the house. I did, well, our stay-at-home order started Thursday. So it's only been a couple of days, but like, people are getting stopped and questioned. Why are you out of the house? And it's scary, actually. Yep, okay. So I need to pack up all my stuff. I'm going to the store for 4 hours. I'm just sitting there while people pick up their orders, essentially. That's it. They're not allowed in the store, same as last week. So they're not allowed in the store. They just knock on the door, let me know who they are, who they're picking up for, and then I pack it up for them or get the bag for them and hand it off, and then go sanitize my hands. So we're allowed to be open for curbside pickup and delivery. I do have a delivery to do on my way home, but yeah, need to get my button gear. I also need to really plan out what I need to do for the shop update, because I have the strawberry earrings planned. They're only planned, they're not made. So the problem is I haven't even run a test. I have run a test for like the size and that it does cut, but I haven't done it on the leather. So I definitely need to test that this weekend. Then I've designed a butterfly one. I also want to make the option to add for it to be stud and not hoop, which I think people will quite enjoy. So that has to get done. I just need to make a list, basically, a list of all the things that need to be done for the shop update, because as it stands right now, that is the 27th of January, and I don't have anything made for it. I also got these like medium-sized muslin bags because I'm gonna put together like mystery bags, or like goodie bags, basically, that are like a minimum $50 value of things, and they'll be half off, so they'll be $25, and there'll be at least a scrunchie in there. There will be a jewelry item and then some other mystery item that haven't decided on yet. And I'm not making new things. I'll be taking things that I already have and putting them into this. So it'll be a good way to clear out some inventory first if people buy them. But then also, it'll be a good way to give people like an entry-level purchase price. And the $25 is $25 Canadian. I need to figure out a way to put on my website so it says Canadian next to everything, in the dollar amount, the price, because people do not seem to understand that it's in Canadian dollars. Oh, you guys can see my bruise. My brother poked me the other day, and this is siblings, you know? Yeah, so I need to put those together this weekend. At least that'll be one product. I'm not gonna make too many of them, maybe 10 of them. I'm not expecting huge sales for this particular drop, even though I'm making cool things. It just, it's just that I haven't been advertising it very well. It's a little low, but you're sitting on a roll of Lysol wipes, so. I am here in the store. Yeah, I don't really have much to say. I don't have to wear a mask because the door is locked and I just put it on when someone comes to the door. I also have a note on the door with the store phone number that says call this number when you arrive, so I can make sure their order is ready before I go and talk to them. It prevents extra contact, lessens the amount of time I'm speaking face to face with people without glass between us. They're not allowed in the store. So this person has ordered the Funny Cat Faces towel, which is just a tea towel. So we're gonna try not to trip and die. There's always lots of cords behind the counter. And I'm wearing new pants that are too long. So, alright, we gotta dodge the plants at our temporary watering station. We're gonna come over here. I'm gonna get the last little rolled up tea towels down here. Yep. And then we're gonna take in the beautiful green glowing heart that the city of Kingston gave us. Thanks. Then we're gonna take this and put it in a bag because this is all they ordered. I actually don't know where the bags have gone, so this should be interesting. Okay, it's as simple as this. I literally just write their order number, the person's name, and if they're picking up or if it's delivery, put the thing in the bag, and set it in here with everything else. You can order from the store as well if you want. Like, if you're in Canada at least, we ship across the country. This has been a very popular order. The plant shelfie, it's very cute. I don't know if I can take it out, but I can show you a little bit. Very cute. This person got like a tote bag or something, some books. Anyway, that's that. Pretty easy and straightforward because people are just picking it up. Okay, I'm in the car. Wait, I want to rotate masks. My day is over and what time is it actually? It is 3:30. If you can hear the church bells, then that'll tell you what time it is, maybe. Okay. What do I want to do? I'm not hungry, so I don't need food. I'm not sure that I need to do anything. I kind of just need to go home so I can do work. Oh yeah, Need to sanitize my hands. I only had a few people show up to pick up today, but one of them was someone I emailed to let know her order was ready, so that's good news. Well, this is an angle. It feels like my whole face is but Abby was hanging out with me in my bed, and she doesn't get up here very often. Isn't that right, buddy? Isn't that right? Yes. 'Cause you're cute, but you like to pee in my bed. And so, yeah, she's so cute. So cute. Oh, yes, you're so cute. Oh, is that you? Is that you? Can I have a kiss? Hey, can I have a kiss? No? Oh. Thanks, buddy. We're gonna do the full roll. We're gonna do the full roll. Look at this. Full relaxed wiener. Yeah, we got a fully relaxed wiener dog. Yeah. Well, I have no idea what I vlogged this week, and I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog because it's Sunday night, and where are you going? Oh, she's making a nest on my feet. Those are my feet down here. You can't see. Oops. She's made a little nest at my feet. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. No idea what's in this. I kind of forget like 5 minutes after I've done the thing. I'm pretty sure it's a very boring week, but this week is going to be a little more exciting. Lots of production happening, stuff like that. Yeah. So anyway, I will catch up with you guys soon. Bye.